On a frictionless surface, a block of mass m moving at a speed of v collides elastically with another block of the same mass m, which is initially at rest. Let me draw the diagram. Here the frictionless surface is there here. One block, m mass block is there, which is moving in this direction with the velocity v. And here one more block is there with the same mass m. The mass of both the blocks is same. And it is in the rest condition. After collision, after when it hits here, the first block moves at an angle theta to its initial direction, and it will go in this direction with angle theta initial direction, and has a speed of v by 3. Initially it is v, then it will move in the v by 3 reduced speed. The second block speed after collision, that means once it hit, this second block will move in this direction. What is its speed we need to find here? Okay, we need to find this speed here. Then, by employing the energy of conservation, we equate the initial kinetic energy to its final kinetic energy. Then we get that is a half into m v1 square plus half into m v2 square. That is a function m1 and m2. Since it is same, there is no problem in the mass. Then, for the given situation, we have the given condition. If I am going to apply, then half into m v square plus 0, which is equal to half into m into v by 3 whole square plus 1 by 2 m v 2 square. That means when it hit, it becomes 0. Then half m v by 3 whole square, it will going back with this velocity plus half into m v2 square. Initial velocity is equal to 0 here. Then the second mass initial velocity is equal to 0. That is moving in this direction. That velocity we here. Then, which implies we need to find here the v2 dash square is equal to, then by simplifying, we get the value that is 8 by 9 v square. Then, if I am going to simplify this one as, that is v2 dash is equal to 8, we can write it as 4 into 2, then under root of 4 is nothing but the 2, that is 2 root 2, and this we can write as 3 square. That becomes, once I can get to cancel the root and the squares, then final answer is v2 dash is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3. This we can see in the option B. Option B is the right answer.